guys, welcome back to another channel. Today we are gonna make some
frozen banana yogurt pops.
That's what we're gonna make today. Also, smack that like button and subscribe for more videos.
So, the ingredients that we're gonna need today are 3 bananas, some popsicles,
some yogurt,
and
some sprinkles. Step 1. Wash your hands. Step 2. Peel the banana. Step 3. Cut the banana in half.
put it right in the middle. Good job. Keep going. Keep going.
And then that's it. It's facing the other way.
It popped out of the other side. Don't do that.
What? Step 4. Put the popsicle stick in the center of the banana.
Step 5. Scoop yogurt into a bowl. Coat each banana evenly with a spoon.
Step 6. Sprinkles! Hello guys, welcome back to another channel. Today we're playing Super Mario Monopoly Celebration.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Okay.
Who goes first? I go first. I got 6.
Ooh, you got the highest one.
6!
Alright, you gotta go again because it's a tie. Ooh,
3. Oh, we get 2. 6. Oh my god.
Okay, let me see. So what does that mean? I roll again, right?
You roll again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Question block. Go roll again.
Roll again? That's what that means?
Yeah.
Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Make the card right now.
Oh, where is the card? Okay, 1. What's it called? Forest of Illusion. Okay, Forest of Illusion. Hello. There you go.
Thank you.
You paid the bank?
Properly.
You paid the bank already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Paid the bank already.
Alright.
Your turn. Oh, 3.
3. Wait, can you do it for me?
1, 2, 3. 3 coins. You
3
paid
coins. Is that Cosmic as Observatory?
Cosmic Observatory. I don't know what that says. I don't know.
Your turn.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Delfino Plaza.
You landed on mine, so you know what that means. What?
You have to pay me.
2
Pay me
coins?
2 coins.
Yes.
$2 million.
That is not true.
Yeah, that's the rent, baby. Thank you very much.
That's why I'm garbage, so this is...
Don't be throwing your garbage at me, boy. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. Now I get both of them.
So what does that mean?
That means, I think I pay 2.
Pay 2? Okay, pay 2.
So that means when you land on my space on Magic Koopa or Bowser Jr., that means you have to pay double. Okay.
2.
1,
2. Serena Beach. Yes, I'm paying that for 2 coins.
2 coins, baby.
Serena Beach!
Serena! Hello! Serena's bumper.
Your turn.
You don't know that movie.
6. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
6. This is hot garbage.
Hot garbajola.
I paid that for 5 coins.
3
Okay,
3,000,000 coins. Let's do it, baby. You get back.
Oh, and now there's a math equation for you. Too. You gotta guess too.
So if you're paying me 5 and the property costs 3, how much do you get back?
No, it's yours.
No, this is yours.
Two.
This is your
Two,
equation.
two, 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 two.
2 coins. You're right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Super benefit. I'm gonna pay that for 5 coins.
Woo!
Oh, that almost hit you, right?
Super Bell.
Super
That's
Bell.
a good one. You paid 5? You paid 5, right?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, you get back 1 because it only costs 4.
Okay. Now 4 coins. Okay. Your turn?
Go to jail. A boo catches you. Get out of here.
That is
Well, at least I already passed go. So I have my 2 coins.
5.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain chomp. Yep.
Chain chomp.
I'm buying that for 2 coins. Give me that. I already paid.
There's no, it's something that you just land on. It's not a property. It's because that guy is a monster. You landed on the chain chomp.
So what does that mean?
That means you lost 2 coins. And that's it. You don't get anything for it. 5. Can you move that for me, please? 1. Oh no, I can't. I have to roll it. I'm in jail. I forgot.
1,
Oh,
2.
shoot. Should I just pay? No. I'll just wait my next turn. 1,
3.
2. There you go. 3.
3.
You want to buy that?
Yep. I'm buying that for 1 coin. Not 3 coins.
There you go.
Thank you.
The more properties you have, the more money you'll have at the end. So let's see. 5. 6.
6. Oh my god.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This better not be what I think. You help the mother penguin find her baby. Collect 1 coin. Yeah, baby.
The trap.
Yeah,
And go
baby.
back to jail.
Oh, heck no. No way, baby. Do that one for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, 4. I was almost to 5. Nice. Collect 4.
You have a ton of money on me. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, man.
Did you just... You went to jail, baby.
What? Guys, welcome back. We just finished these and we're done.
Yep, they're done freezing. That was after like 20 minutes. And now we're ready to eat them. Alright.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready, set, go. You want to try some? Then make your own. So maybe.
What do you think?
It tastes yummy. What? Also, guys, smack that like button and subscribe for more videos
Yes.
of this. And also, we're gonna make a new Super Smash Bros. With my friend, with our neighbors. So you guys be ready. Don't miss it. It's gonna be very cool. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Put it a little further.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
that did not work.